Okay, hello everyone. So, in the moment, I'm going to present my 7 segment interrupt for IoT assignment. My name is Michel Pristahia, and my serial number is 123210103. And I am asked to display the last four digits of my student number, which are 0103. So first, I'm going to explain my circuit. I'm using Arduino Uno and breadboard. Yes, breadboard, and I have I have a segment display and a button. The 7 segment display is connected to one transistor to the negative terminal because the 7 segment display I'm using is cathode, and then it is also connected to 8 wires from DP, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So yeah, it's connected to the pins in Arduino. And then I'm using a button connected to the two resistor with the resistance of 220 ohms. Both of them are connected to the ground and to the power, which is 5 volt, if we can see here. And then here, and then yeah, and then the button wire is connected to the pin number 3. Okay, so I'm going to jump into my code. So this is my code. First is declaration. This is number pin 3, and I'm using the pin segment using array because I want to do looping next. And then I'm not using constant here because the digit is going to change later. And then for the setup, I'm using serial begin to show the monitor here. And then I'm looping here to tell the program to tell the Arduino that the pin segment, all of them are output, and the button is input. And then I will use interrupt here. The interrupt will have a button, the flow control when it is going to be called, and the rising is the trigger. So if I uh, push the button, it will go from 0 to 1, the state, and it will call the flow control function. So the next is loop void. The loop void I'm using here only to check if the digit is from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back to 1. So it will not reach 5. And then go next to the flow control. So here I'm using the current digit from here. So if it's 1, I will show the first digit, which is 0. I'm going to reset first, show 0, and then I'm going to add the digit, which is the second digit is 1. First reset, show the digit, and then plus 1, and then the third digit, which is reset, show digit 0, and current digit. And case 4, the fourth digit is going to be show digit 3. I'm not using reset because I modified the code a little bit. And then I use current digit to plus. And then this is the code. For example, to show digit 0, I just need to loop digital wrap in segment 1 from 2 to 7. So the dot product is index number 0, as you can see here, 7. 7 here is the dot product, and 10 here is the middle one, and the middle one here it's G. So G, F, E. So this is going to be F. Where is F? See, F is 11. So I just need to loop to show number 0. And then next is show number 1, so digit number 1 here. The same goes. The code is almost the same. I just need to show to loop and to show index number 5 and index number 6 to turn on the LED. This one and this one. Okay. And the code here is index number 0 high. It means that I want to turn on the dot product. The same goes with number 3, because the number 3 is my fourth digit. And here, as you can see, this is just so that I could turn on the thing in the middle here, and I do not use it in the show digit in the looping, because in the looping I turn off the if dot product G, F, and E from the 7 segment. And the reset void function, the function void reset here is used to turn off all the lights. Okay, so if I run my IoT, if I click the button, it will show number 0 from here, because I use serial. And then if I click again, number 1, the dot product is on. Click again, the dot product is off, 0 again. And then 3, yeah, the dot product is on. And if I click again, it will go back to 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3. Okay, so this is my program. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.